Hi everyone. So as you all know that when I was in Hong Kong recently, I bought this camera. जब ये मैंने लिया था तब ये इंडिया में लॉन्च नहीं हुआ था, but now it is available on Amazon. ये वीडियो जो आप देख रहे हो ये उस रात का ही है जब मैंने कैमरा लिया था and I was so excited. आप देख ही सकते हो मेरे चेहरे पर कितना ज़्यादा I was excited because एक तो this camera is like so unique to record vlogs and then I got it at a very good price as well. The accessories that we've got in the box is this secure cable, like you can tie the camera with it, neck pendant and magnet pendant, and the charging cable, the clip, and the body, like where the camera goes and fits in. So it's like, yeah, you see, so it's this and then and then the screen, see, so the screen comes out, like it doesn't come out, like it moves, so when you're filming you can see yourself. It's recording.
Hi, it's a first recording from the new camera.